Hello everyone, my name is Alev Çelikörs. I am an architecture student at Okan University. I will explain the feature of ecocities and its usage of methods and technology subject today. The resources in the world are decreasing day by day, and we need to learn new methods and different technologies to use these resources efficiently and correctly for the future. In the world, ecocities are getting more important with the increase in population and decrease in resources that humans used. New technologies are produced and different methods are developed every day for the ecocities of the future. If these technologies and methods are collected under some subtitles, they can be listed as follows. The first is ecotextiles, the second is the management of water and waste, the third is green usage, and the last one is smart systems. First method is ecotextiles. It combines ecology and technology. Ecotextiles minimizing the ecological footprint, saving energy, providing a car-free environment, recycling water, using sustainable building materials, using green technologies and renewable energies. The second method is waste and water management. It is aimed to maximize the efficiency of water and energy resources to create a waste management system that can recycle and reuse waste and to create a zero waste system. Underground waste management. The usage of underground space is nowadays a key issue to achieve environmentally friendly and sustainable development, especially in urban areas. The main advantages of using underground areas includes leaving an area on the surface that can be used for recreation, social activities, green areas, and residential areas. With the stationary pneumatic refuse collection system, there is no need for garbage to be collected by trucks. Instead, garbage is transported by air through pipes where it is compressed in sealed containers. And we can see an underground waste management system diagram here. And water management is another management system. Water is one of the most important resources necessary for living beings to survive. There are concerns about the depletion of water resources in the future. Rainwater collection and wastewater recycling are two principles of the water management of ecocities. In this page, we can see water management diagram and rainwater harvesting system and wastewater recycling. We can start from rainwater harvesting system. A rainwater harvesting system collects and stores rainwater for human use. Wastewater recycling includes the grey water system and black water system. The primary function of a wastewater treatment plant is to remove pollution from wastewater and make it clean enough to be discharged into the river without causing a public health risk and harming the natural environment. And here is a water cycle diagram. Green usage is the third method for future ecocities. And vertical farming is inside it. Vertical farming. The purpose of vertical farming is to produce more products using less land. It provides a plan for meeting future food demands. And in this page, we can see vertical farming concept design for New York. rooftop gardens and floor gardens. With the increasing urbanization, the green areas in the cities are decreasing day by day. While designing eco-cities, the use of green spaces should be increased in order to create a healthier and more sustainable environment. Smart systems. Smart systems is the last method. We can start from smart buildings. Smart buildings allows their owners to monitor their water and energy consumption, and it has a big impact on cities. And there is a diagram about smart home system we can see in this page. And another smart system is smart transportation. Smart transportation system tries to reduce carbon emission and fuel shortage. Smart transportation includes smart roads, smart streetlights, smart cars, and smart traffic signs. Smart highways are sustainable and interactive roads of the future ecosystem. And there is a smart highway system examples. In this page, we can see electric priority lane, glowing lines, dynamic paint, and dynamic lines pictures. And ecosystem examples that will shape the future. The first one is Binhai ecosystem example. The project was launched as a collaboration to address the future urban needs of the rapidly growing region. All buildings in the plan are designed to minimize energy use, combine solar panels, and geothermal heating and cooling, achieving a near zero environmental impact. The city's biggest focal point will be pedestrian and green spaces. At this figure 7, we can see Binhai ecosystem. And actually, at the figure 8, we can see the Binhai ecosystem master plan. And another example is Changsha Ecotech City. Changsha Ecotech City is a 21st century vision for a new city center that combines working, recreation, and living with nature. It's a green and car-free sustainable environment with a variety of working, living, and recreational use. One of the main features of this project is the underground robotic automated service and goods network. In addition to automated robotic delivery of services and goods throughout the site, the master plan purposes new technologies to improve daily life. The residential area is designed to integrate developments such as light sensors that automatically adapt the lighting to suit various living conditions, detecting the need for bright or low illumination for daily functions. And at the 9th and 10th figures, we can see the Changsha Ecotech City. And conclusion part. Eco-cities gain more importance over time. With the development of technology, many new design possibilities for the future emerged. With ecosystem methods such as smart systems, ecotech cities, underground waste and water management, and green usage will be formed healthier, cleaner, and greener cities in the future. The use of these four methods in the design of future ecocities can lead to less damage to nature and the environment for next generations, like we see in the Binhai and Changsha ecosystem examples. At this page, we can see a matrix about Binhai and Changsta ecotoxicity. There is a project year, time, architect, kind of city, square, city and country, smart system, sustainability, transportation, green usage, water management, waste management, technology, and main goals. Actually, there are some informations about these things. We can see clearly in this matrix. And the last part is SWOT analysis. We can start from the strengths. The strengths of the subjects are future ecocities aim to create zero waste system by using technology. With using underground areas, it is leaving an area on the surface that can be used for recreation, social activities, green areas, residential areas. It aims to have zero carbon emission and near zero environmental impact. It increases green spaces use and ensures sustainability. It minimizes the ecological footprint. Smart systems help monitor the water and energy consumption. And these are the strength parts. And we can continue with the weaknesses. The cost of using smart system in the future ecocities are high. High-tech methods take time to set up in the cities, and they are difficult to design. Although ecocities are designed for the future, the constant change of time and the differentiation of the requirements of the cities may not meet the needs of the city over time. And we can continue with the opportunities. The development of underground infrastructure will allow for a higher degree of efficiency and availability in their use, resulting in maximum utilization as well as lower maintenance costs. Management of water and waste is provided by more advanced methods. People can live more sustainable and healthier life with the new methods and technologies in the future ecocities. By increasing the use of vertical agriculture in food production, the food needs of the future generations can be met. Water scarcity can be reduced with rainwater harvesting systems. Thus, businesses and homes can be supplied with water for use during the dry seasons. And the last part is threat parts. It takes a long time to design future ecocities, and these cities may not achieve the desired results. The increase in people's desire to live in ecocities may increase migration to these cities. This causes negative population growth in the region. The ecocity can be very costly to build. And these were the threatened parts. And my presentation ends here. Thanks for listening.